Okay, the current refrigerator is 31.5 inches wide and 65 inches tall. You have room height-wise for 70 inches and width-wise we got 3 inches on that side and I'll say 4.5 on this side. So that's 7.5 plus 32.5. I'm sorry, 7.5 plus 31.5, so that's 30. So you have 39 inches wide room and 70 high.
Okay, you want to do the stove just in case.
Now the stove, 30 inches wide. And right now you are, well, the one you have is 25 inches deep. Mom and I were looking this over. Actually, you do have an oven cleaning cycle that has never been utilized. I think we should go ahead and give that a try. And I actually don't think that, I think this top is very salvageable. And I did take a picture of it for you. But I don't think it's going to be too much to just take these out and scrub it down. And even the inside will probably, I would give that a try before getting a new one.